Hi to all, my name is Dark, and in today's video we have Alfa Romeo Giulia and we need to change the oil. So to change the oil, let's check the system. Oil is okay, we are in max and we need to do maintenance. So if we go to car, go to here, inspections, we see I did a little more than 11,000 kilometers. So this is what we need for oil change. So this is oil filter and this is Selenia oil 0W30, because last time I did change with this 0W20 and Alpha says, and see, I put 3.6 liters of oil. So the only thing that will be, and I will using the oil pump to suck up the oil. So here we have, down there is the dipstick, or we don't have it, but the only thing that will be difficult to change without any support and without to take the down plate is the oil filter that is down there. And I think I'll need to take the air filter to go there down. So let's go. So I take the air hose out and now you have plenty of space to take out the oil filter. And now I've put the oil pump, everything is connected, and let's start. I think that this is it. That we took all the oil that we could with oil pump. I'm gonna measure how much did we take out, so stay tuned. So if you don't want to make a big mess down there, and I do not want, so I will try to use this bottle hack. So the thing you do when you loosen the cap, you just simply put it like that and unscrew and then put oil in here. So I will try to do that hack, because if I don't succeed, there down will be oil and oil. So I use this bottle, but I have a little oil that went down, so now I have to clean all of it. So when you go like that, be ready that some oil will go down and you need to put some kind of paper or bucket down, so you don't mess the floor. So now oil filter new, I'll put oil, and the only thing to do is to reset the computer. So I want to just show you something, and I took out the filter. You see, this sealing is okay, but this sealing, as you can see, is out. So be careful with that, and in you have this sealing, so replace all. And now the oil filter is on, and now the oil, and this is nice bottle hack so that you don't spill anything. So one first question it is here 1 liter or it is here up. As you can see, they are all sealed. Which one is 1 liter? I don't know. Do you know? So I put 3 liters and now I will put half of liter. And then I'm gonna measure to see where we at. Okay, and now I'll check the oil level. So this is how much oil did I get out. This is 5 liter and this is around 4. I've put 3.5 liters, and now if I'm gonna check with the dipstick, as you can see, I'm gonna put it in and we're gonna put it out, and we have at little, let's say a little above minimum. So the computer, to show the full oil level, it needs to be on the working temperature, and you need to then wait 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna put a little more oil, maybe 3.6, and then I will draw, and then I will check the oil, and then it should be done. So let's go. So I've put 3.9 liters of oil, and now if we check with dipstick, and we see the oil is a little below maximum, so that's good. So 3.9, maybe 4 liters if I go to full max level, but I leave it like this. So everything is put together, the little hose, the sensor, the oil cap, and now let's try to start the car. Okay, you see, okay, I'm gonna press the brake pedal. Okay, we don't have any errors, but that's okay. So the last thing to do is to reset the maintenance, and I will do that with a laptop. So now let it run a little bit. I've put the scanner in, and now I'm going to, if we go here, car status, maintenance, you see that I need to reset the maintenance. So let's go. Just connect. So I'm in. Go to errors. Let's check the errors. No fault codes. Here, what we have here, if we go down, and we go here, you can see that oil degradation level is at 64%, and we're gonna reset that. And odometer at last oil change was at 67, and we are now at 79. So we're gonna adjust that. Go to adjustments, oil change. Okay, and we're gonna go execute. This process updates the parameters related to oil engine quality. Okay. Did you read the notes? Yes, we did. And we're gonna do that. So everything is okay. Turn the key to off. Okay. I'm gonna turn to off and we need to wait 60 seconds. Okay, we waited for 1 minute. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go to connect. And now we're gonna see the degradation oil. Giulia. Here's oil contour. So we are at 7. We are at. You see this 78 6H3 and here is 79. Okay. And now if we go here, we need to reset maintenance. So we need to go here and to reset the maintenance. So we need to go back, we need to go to service interval reset. Okay, now we're gonna connect. So we are connected, as you can see here. We didn't do nothing. We're gonna do adjustments. And now we did it. Sorry, my bad. As you can see, now we did it because we need to do next service kilometer reset. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next videos as we see dark out. Bye, and don't forget to support me as we see dark out. Bye.